The top 5 bookkeeping mistakes that small businesses make and how to avoid them. Have you ever felt like your bookkeeping is more of a mess than a method? Is your QuickBooks file collecting more dust than your treadmill or Peloton? Are you afraid to get yelled at by your tax professional when it comes time for tax season? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to uncover the top 5 bookkeeping mistakes that small businesses make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them to keep your finances in check. Did you know that nearly 60% of small businesses admit that their bookkeeping is their biggest challenge? Now, from missing deductions to poor record keeping, these mistakes can cost you time, money, and even your business. But the good news is, with a few tweaks and some good habits, you can avoid these common pitfalls and keep your books and your business running smoothly. Hi friend, my name is Eric Neum. You're a small business finance coach. I'm here to make sure that you're on top of your books and not buried under them. Now, I've been running an accounting and tax practice, helping out small business owners just like you for the last 13 years. Now, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a small team, these bookkeeping mistakes can sneak up on anybody. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to watch out for and how to keep your finances crystal clear. Let's dive in. So let's first get into the top 5 bookkeeping mistakes that most small businesses make. First one, mixing personal and business finances. Now, this is a big no-no. It's tempting to use your personal account for business expenses, especially when starting out, but it will lead to chaos at tax time, and it makes it harder to track your business performance. Even successful entrepreneurs like Oprah swears by keeping their finances separate starting from day one. The solution? Open a dedicated business account and use that for all of your business transactions. It's as simple as that. Mistake number 2, neglecting to track small expenses. Now, coffee runs, office supplies, and even software subscriptions might seem minor, but they do add up. Many small businesses miss out on deductions because they didn't track these costs. Classic example is when startups like Airbnb began to track every little expense, they realized that they had savings that they didn't even know that they had. I recommend using an app like Expensify or QuickBooks to track every penny that's spent. Now that most business owners don't operate on cash, this makes things a little bit easier. But if you are a business owner that still uses petty cash, I recommend stopping. Use your business debit or credit card for these small expenses as opposed to cash. Mistake number 3, not reconciling bank accounts regularly. Now, it's easy to put off reconciling bank statements, but if your books don't match your bank statements, you could be in for a rude awakening. Now, even big, successful companies review their accounts monthly to catch errors early. Make it a habit to reconcile your statements at least once per month to ensure that everything adds up. Just categorizing expenses in QuickBooks does not mean that you've closed out your accounting for that period. You need to check your bank statements against your bookkeeping. Now, number 4 is a biggie, failing to keep receipts and documentation. Now, if the IRS ever comes knocking, you need to have your records in order. Now, remember Richard Branson, super famous entrepreneur? He's notorious with meticulous record keeping, and that saved him countless times during audits. I recommend using a cloud storage solution like Google Drive or Dropbox to digitize and organize your receipts. No more stacks of paper or trash bags worth of receipts. Mistake number 5, trying to do your own bookkeeping without the right tools or knowledge. Now, while it's great to be hands-on, bookkeeping requires precision. Using outdated spreadsheets or just trying to wing it can lead to costly mistakes. Huge brands like Starbucks rely on professional accounting software and professionals to help them stay on top of their game. Now, if bookkeeping isn't your strong suit, and it's not for many, consider investing in a software like QuickBooks and hiring a bookkeeper like us to ensure that your books are accurate. And there you have it, the top 5 bookkeeping mistakes most small businesses make and how you can avoid them. Now, if you're a business owner that's looking to take your business to the next level, you can't overlook these crucial fundamentals. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more business tips, and share this video with anyone that could use help with their bookkeeping. You got any questions or other tips to share? Pop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you need help with bookkeeping, we're also happy to help. Feel free to reach out and we'll have a conversation. Now remember, smart bookkeeping is the foundation of a healthy business. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll keep your finances organized and your stress levels low. Thanks for watching, and here's to your business success, one balanced book at a time.